This video shows how to replace the fan on a Vitrifrigo fridge. Place the fridge face down on a protected surface. Remove the 4 screws securing the compressor mounting bracket. Slowly slide the compressor assembly away from the fridge. Be careful not to damage any of the pipework. Remove the 4 screws securing the fan. Using a long screwdriver makes this easier. Pull the fan up slightly to check that it is free. Then disconnect the wires from the small positive and F terminals on the controller. You can now remove the fan. Feed the wire for the new fan underneath the compressor. Lower the fan into position and reinsert the 4 screws. Do not over tighten the screws, as this can cause the fan blades to touch the fan body. Reinsert the wires into the small positive and F terminal. Reinsert the 4 screws securing the compressor mounting bracket. The job is now complete.